Hello everyone, welcome back to Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Today is Sunday, November the 24th. I'm out on the river to do some northern pike fishing. I'm going to try to do a little bit of fly fishing, but if the wind picks up and it becomes difficult, I'm going to give up and just go to my standard jerkbait rig, the Rapala X-Wrap, and throw that and see if I can get fish to go on that. Like I said, I'm going to start off fly fishing. This time of year, you're looking for the deepest holes that you can find. Those fish are going to be in winter areas, in the deepest spots. But they should be fairly aggressive still. Pike are a really good species to target in the winter, as they don't really ever go dormant. As long as there's something to eat, they seem willing to chase it. So stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. The shit of it is, I probably would have caught a few fish had I got there before them. Might not have caught a bunch, but I probably would have at least got a few, because I know they're there. Ooh, that's a nice bite right there. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, nice fish. Quality. Not huge, but he's nice. All right, it's been a tough day, but I did manage to catch a second fish. The first one I completely botched getting on camera. He was just a little guy anyways, but this is a much nicer fish. Let me show him to you real quick. Still probably only about 26 maybe. Nice little 2-footer, fat, chunky, healthy fish. He's tensing up. Gotta be careful with him. He's gonna go nuts. Let's get him back. All right, last look at this guy before I send him back. He's a beaut, that's for sure. All right, let's put him back in his hole. All right, well, that's going to do it for the video today. Going to be a short one for sure. The spots that I really wanted to fish, oddly enough, there was a canoe already in those spots. So I ended up having to go to kind of plan B and go downstream and find some of the deep holes that I knew were down there. And the fish just really weren't into it that much. I did catch one small one early that I did not get on footage or film at all. So you guys aren't going to see that fish, but I did get the one nice fish. after a couple hours of effort, and really only saw one other fish the entire rest of the day. So not a very productive day, but like I said, I did get one nice fish on video, so might as well go ahead and put this up and post it. So well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to everybody who likes, comments, subscribes, shares these videos. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.